Hello guys, so for today's video, I got my account back last day and I made a video last day at it too. I got banned from Roblox and I'm playing Arsenal in my alt account. Just that, and today I got it back. This is my account back. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my builds in build about. So first things first, my RC car. So this is how it works. You go in here, you launch and press E. Look at this, you can see it. And yeah, you can just go around to people and so see their build. So yeah, so I'm always playing builda now because it's fun. And yeah, I have a FK grinder in this game and a mech. This mech is made by my friend, but it's a small mech, and yeah, I can't control it easily. It's pretty hard to control. My next one is FK grinder, which is we're not going for that. And then jet. This is my jet, guys. It looks pretty cool, right? F-22 fighter jet, and you got an anchor, and then you gotta press E, and I can control it now. And you can go to others like yellow. There's no yellow, white. Oh, my friend is AFK grinding. Wait, what happened to his AFK grinder? I thought something happened. Okay, I'm stuck now. He anchored me. No. Oh, really? Okay. So his channel is Epic Gamer Kid. I'm gonna link his YT down below, and I'm not Marshmallow. Okay, so let's just reset, and I will not clear all, so that gets stuck on him too. So yeah, that's my jet. It works perfectly, and I can control it perfectly. And Among Us, I tried to make Among Us in YT, I saw it, but it's so hard to make. I can't even make it. It's like bugging. Okay, look at this cake. Cake in this. And just delete this and delete this. And then just delete this all too. Sure. Okay, got it wrong again. Don't mind the Among Us. And yeah. And my third build is I'm just making this like cars. I'm just trying to make it. And yeah, so some people don't know how to make the car works perfectly, like it doesn't bug like this guys. It works perfectly. Look at this. So I did something in this car and anchored. So yeah, if you want me to make a video of it, guys, I'm gonna make a video. Okay, I'm lagging. Am I lagging? What's happening? Why can't I unanchor the outfit? It's gonna launch. Look at this. It works perfectly like that. And it's not like getting up like that. It's like working perfectly. And yeah, it's so fast. It's fast. I don't know how to get the purple jet. I don't even have a purple jet, because that's Robux. Okay, this stuck me again. This guys. And yeah, my build is stuck on them too. So yeah, so my next build is this. So I tried making a big boat, but I failed because it's taken too long to make. But yeah, and this is my third boat. Look at that. So if you're gonna ask guys how is it not flipping when I launch, I put a block right here, and yeah, I make the collision off so you can go through it and look. It worked perfectly. Launch. Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna bend or anything. And it's like you have a shield now. Just look at that. It's not even hitting a block, then disappearing. I love this bow, and that's it. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.